2025 Retirement Alert: Why you should ditch the stock market for gold. The 2025 Retirement Alert is clear. Wall Street's volatility, inflation, and global uncertainty make traditional investments risky for retirees. Smart investors are shifting toward gold, an asset that preserves wealth when markets falter. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's what you need to know. 1. Stock market risks are rising. In 2025, inflation, high interest rates, and global tensions make stocks unpredictable. Retirees can't afford long recoveries. Gold offers stability and peace of mind, free from market swings. 2. Gold protects against inflation. Inflation erodes retirement savings. While stocks struggle during long inflation cycles, gold typically rises. At about $4,000 per ounce, it remains a reliable hedge and defender of purchasing power. 3. No corporate debt, no dependence. Many corporations now carry heavy debt. As borrowing costs climb, share prices risk falling. Gold isn't tied to debt or performance, it's backed by scarcity and universal value. 4. Diversify for safety. A balanced portfolio needs true diversification. Gold often climbs when stocks and bonds fall, cushioning portfolios against downturns and protecting long-term wealth. 5. Tax advantages with Gold IRAs. A Gold IRA lets retirees hold physical gold under tax-deferred or tax-free status. Converting part of your 401k or savings into gold combines stability with smart tax planning, ideal for investors with $500,000 to $1 million in assets. 6. Global uncertainty drives gold demand. In times of conflict or crisis, gold demand surges. Central banks are increasing their reserves, proof of its enduring reliability. 7. Preserve wealth across generations. Gold isn't just an investment, it's a legacy. Its enduring value and portability make it the perfect vehicle to protect family wealth. 8. Peace of mind for retirees. Gold provides more than financial security, it offers emotional comfort. Knowing part of your savings is shielded from market chaos brings true retirement confidence. In 2025, traditional assets waver while gold stands firm. Following this 2025 Retirement Alert, consider reallocating part of your portfolio to gold to secure your wealth, protect against inflation, and enjoy lasting financial peace. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.